Look at this fucker. Not a thing coming out of the back of it. Yeah, not a thing. You don't need anything coming out of the back. Everything that does come out the back is poison. That is fucking guaranteed. Yeah. Guaranteed, my friends. People won't have it. The aeroplanes don't need anything coming out the back of them. That's vapor trails. No, you are thick as fucking pig shit. Wake up to this world, my friends. Yeah. Wake up. We're being poisoned. Yeah. This air is poison. All of it. Every last bit of it is fucking poison. Yeah. And there's also poison in the vaccine. Yeah. Aeroplanes don't need anything coming out the back of them.